Let's talk weather now with meteorologist Ben Dery.
Hi guys. When you think of spring, what do you usually think of?
Sunshine and birds.
Yeah.
Sunshine, birds.
Flowers, maybe?
Flowers, gardening, maybe a little mud with tulip fields. How about more mountain snow?
No.
Yeah, guess what? More mountain snow is in the forecast. That's not the best news for folks that are trying to clear highways. The North Cascades Highway still looks like this. You can still see about 3-4 feet of snow that road crews are continuing to dig out. They're about 2 weeks into the project to connect the West Cascades with the East Cascades, and they have a lot of work to go, especially considering they're getting another dumping of snow over the next 24 hours. There's a winter weather advisory in effect over the Central Cascades. This is in effect starting tomorrow morning about 5 a.m., lasting through Wednesday evening. Anywhere between 4 and 11 inches of new snow. Now, one thing I will note, this does not include the Snoqualmie Pass area. The snow elevation is probably going to start off around 2,000 feet, but quickly rising up to about 3,500 feet. So what that really means is it's going to be raining at Snoqualmie Pass most of the day while snowing at Stevens Pass. So if you're traveling up through Stevens Pass, Highway 2, plan on encountering snowy conditions, and you're certainly going to find easier travel over Snoqualmie Pass, especially as that snow level starts to rise up. So we have this warm front, which is currently parked offshore. It's already starting to bring some rain into parts of western Washington at this hour, and it's going to be creeping northward or creeping eastward as we head deeper into the overnight hours. It's not really anything heavy as far as rain goes, but we're going to see a persistent rain through much of the overnight hours tonight and a good chunk of Wednesday as well. Let's flip things over to our Futurecast model. This is our high-resolution forecast model that we get from the University of Washington. And it's going to point out some interesting stuff for us. Notice as we head deeper into tonight, rain covers most of western Washington. And I say most because there might be a decent rain shadow that shows up just west of Everett. You can see here, if you live around the Squim area, Discovery Bay, those areas, northeastern slopes of the Olympics, and maybe the southern half of, say, the Whidbey Island area, you probably are not going to see a whole lot of rain to start tomorrow, but wet pretty much everywhere else, and it's going to be with us most of the day as that warm front sort of wavers on top of us. Probably not seeing the steady rain taper at least until tomorrow evening. Now, once we get beyond tomorrow, guess what? There's another weather system that quickly moves in right behind it. So here's your 7-day forecast, and it does show, again, some pretty wet conditions. As we head into Thursday, round 2 of rain moves overhead. Temperatures starting to warm up, though. We're back in the mid-50s for highs. We're in between weather systems for the most part on Friday, still keeping at least a chance for showers, but if we do see enough sunshine, we can easily make it into the low to mid-60s. Another system giving us some rain and possibly some windy conditions on Saturday. That leads to scattered showers and sunbreaks on Sunday, and guys, our next completely dry day not until this upcoming Monday.